You ready?
Go.
All right. Hello. This is our first Facebook Live activity that we're going to be doing while we are all social distancing. So, welcome to Social Distancing Science with Miss Sami. Woo! All right. So today we are going to be doing the very popular pepper and soap experiment. So for those of you following along at home, all you need is a plate. We have a paper plate here with a wax coating that we just put a bit of water on the bottom. You'll need some soap. This is dish soap, but you can use hand soap. I know it's very valuable right now, but just whatever soap you have on hand. And then some pepper. Here we have pre-ground pepper, but you can also use ground pepper that you grind into the plate. All right, so the first thing we want to do is we want to ask the question, what do we think is going to happen when the soap interacts with the water and the pepper flakes? Okay, so first we need to make a prediction. We need to guess what will happen. So that's also called a hypothesis. And I'm going to hypothesize that I don't think anything's going to happen. I think that it's going to stay the same, but maybe just make the water a little soapy. So that's my hypothesis. I'm going to think and predict that that's what's going to happen. I don't think anything's going to happen. So that's my prediction. Now we're going to do the experiment. So we have our plate of water here. Hope everybody can see that. We're going to take our pepper. We're going to put the flakes on top. Do as much or as little as you want. I'm going to get a nice even coating across all of the water here. All right. Bam. Just like Emerald. All right, now we're going to take our soap, and I want, let's see, Miss Andrea, can you just get up nice and close to that?
You betcha.
We're going to put a drop of soap in, all right? So let's all find our soap. Let's get ready, and we're going to drop it in together. 3, 2, 1. Whoa!
Ooh.
All right. So we can see that something did happen. So my prediction or my hypothesis was not right. The pepper moved to the side of the plate. So maybe let's just think for a second, why do we think that happened? So first of all, you saw that the pepper kind of floated on the surface of the water, and that's because pepper is what we call hydrophobic. And what that means is that water is not attracted to it, right? So it just kind of floats on the surface. It doesn't break the surface of the water, so it just kind of floats on top. But the soap can break the surface of the water, which is why when we dropped it in, the peppers moved to the side, and this is what we have. Now, if we move it around, the pepper is able to come back to the surface, but most of the pepper is at the bottom of the plate, at the bottom of the water, and that's because the water surface area was broken. So that is our experiment. Think about what your hypothesis was, what happened, try it at home, and then try it with some other different types of things. So we tried it with soap, but maybe you'll want to try it with some other liquid. So maybe oil or hairspray. Try it with other liquids, see what happens, and let us know what happens. So this has been our very first social distancing science with Miss Sami. Let us know what other experiments you're doing at home, and we can't wait to talk to you soon. Thank you, Flyers.